Well, we had made a decision to eliminate the XO26 from the program. The tooling was getting old, so a lot of people, once they found that out, were asking, what are you going to do to replace the XO? Because it's got a pretty good niche, so what are you going to do for that? And we decided to start working on this new little mask, the next generation of this. The mask can benefit light-duty commercial work, which also includes dive rescue, industries like that, ship's husbandry, light-duty stuff, to where you need a lot of mobility. The difference between the two masks is mainly the pod. The two masks are identical, other than the pod. This one here takes a scuba pod or rebreather pod, or this has got a fixed pod on the front. That's the main difference. It also has an attached hood and a ballast system. The purpose of having the side block with a one-way valve remote is weight distribution and strain on the side block. This is a light-duty mask, and we wanted to keep it as light as possible and not have any outside influence from the umbilical pulling on the mask. That makes it much more comfortable. So your main umbilical is hooked down here and clipped into your harness, so all the load is taken off the mask. The communications in the mask are earphone transducers and a microphone inside. It's all modular. It's a one-piece unit, and they come with a 4-pin connector attached to the module. The microphone is easily removed, rapidly and easily removed from the inside, and it works with any communicator out on the market right now. Breathing performance of this mask is superior. It's based on the 455 regulator and the New Balance scuba regulator, which came along about the same time as the 455. We brought all that in to this mask. It uses most of the components from the scuba regulator. Excellent work of breathing, really, really good work of breathing. The mask is constructed of the latest new level polymers. It's got liquid silicone for the skirt, glass-filled nylons for some of the plastic parts, titanium, 316L stainless steel. The lens defog system works very similar to what a band mask or a helmet does. It has a control knob on the front that introduces gas into the lower cavity and goes through 2 vent holes in the skirt up to the eye cavity. And all you do to help defog is crack the valve, inhale through your nose, and you can actually watch the fog disappear with each breath, and then you exhale through your mouth and repeat the process 2 or 3 times with a very fogged up lens, and it quickly clears. The similarities between the band mask helmet side block and the Mod-1 surface applied side block are mainly the control positions where they are, but they work the same way. The big difference between the two is the maintenance on this side block is much easier to do than it is on a helmet. It's very, very quick, very, very simple. The 7mm hood and the 5mm hood are the same cut. They're exactly the same. They have the same frame, the same mounting system. The difference is just the thickness of the material, and it's mainly for thermal barrier.